Will Ethereum keep rising higher and double your money? Well, in this video, we will jump into the Ethereum chart and perform some technical analysis, but we will also give out a 2021 price prediction for Ethereum. By the way, welcome back to Chibind Brothers. My name is Joel. Please allow me to ask you to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, as it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get our message to a wider audience. Also, if you live in the United States and would like to start investing into the stock market, please, you can sign up for a trading account using our Weibo link in the description below. And when you sign up and deposit at least $100, we both get free stocks. Or you can use our M1 Finance link in the description below. And when you sign up and deposit at least $100, we both get $30. Now, I would like to take a moment of silence to honor the death of all the Ethereum bears, as the bulls have now taken control. Corny joke. Anyway, let's jump into the chart. So now I have the chart of Ethereum pulled up, and let's just jump right into it. So the first thing that I would like you to see is these lines that I have traced. These used to be resistance lines and now they are support lines. So the first one is at around $850 and dates to all the way back to May of 2018. And then the second one, which was the recent support, which is around almost $1,050. And the next, which used to be resistance just a couple days ago, is at around $1,420, which was basically the Ethereum all-time high, dating all the way back to early 2018, basically late 2017 up here. So the first thing here is, let's jump right in, and so I can show you some stuff right here. So let's look at the Fibonacci levels now. So when you look at this chart, you will see that I have the Fibonacci 38% level right here, and I have the Fibonacci 23% level right here. So since I believe since early January of 2021, you can tell that Ethereum has basically been playing somewhere within these region, just slightly below the 38% level and all the way up to all the way up here. So the thing that I want to show you here is levels that personally I believe are accumulation levels, right? So when you look at this $1,000 and almost $50 level, you can tell that ever since Ethereum went above that level on January 5th of this year, basically Ethereum keeps, let me just zoom in more. Ethereum will come back down and bounce off that level and then try to rally back up. And then it will go to test the Ethereum all-time high, and then it would bounce off and then come back down all the way to this level, right? So for me, this level is basically an accumulation level. And the next thing that I would like to show you here is I'm going to trace another trend line. So let me just pick up a quick trend line in here. So yeah, it's a different color, it's in blue. And I'm gonna put that trend line right here. And I want you to see a support resistance that I've been seeing since early of this year. So as you can see here, as I'm zooming in, as you can see, is that every time Ethereum goes up, it comes to basically bounce off this line, goes back up and comes to bounce off this line. As you can tell here, there. So that right there is also another support that you could also use to basically accumulate more Ethereum going forward. So I will go ahead and get rid of this. And the next thing that I want to talk about is, like I said earlier, the bulls have now taken control of Ethereum. What did I mean? I basically meant to say that Ethereum broke its all-time high just this week, which is very exciting, and I've been waiting for this moment. So then now the question that I usually ask myself when there is a breakout is the breakout a real breakout or a false breakout? For us to be able to answer this question is, let me just zoom out. And as you can see, this is the Ethereum, basically the Ethereum which used to be a resistance, showing the Ethereum all-time high. So now let me zoom back in. As you can see here, on this week, during this week, and it was on this day, that was on February 2nd, you can tell that Ethereum basically started coming up, and then it basically bust through the $1,400 level and then kept going up. So the next thing that you want to see on a breakout is the next candle, because this is a day chart. You want the next candle to open above the high of the previous candle and then close even higher. And that's what you can see here. You see this candle right here. Let me just zoom in more. This candle opened above the previous candle and then closed above the previous candle. That right there is already a confirmation of a breakout for me. So when I see that, I'm happy. But that's not it. I like to use more indicators. The next indicator that I usually like to see is volume. So let me go ahead and just add volume real quick. And as you can see down here, you see the volume on the day of the breakout. This was the day of the breakout. Look at the volume candle. When you have a breakout, I'd like to see a volume higher than average. That basically shows that there is a lot of momentum going into this breakout, right? As you can see here, this green volume is higher than the average, which is the yellow line that we can see down there. That's good. So that right there tells me that we are definitely in a breakout. This is very exciting, guys, because a breakout for Ethereum basically puts Ethereum into price discovery, because there is no more overhead resistance above Ethereum. So now it could literally go anywhere. The next question is, how high can it go, right? And this is where we jump into my personal price prediction for Ethereum in 2021. So in order for us to do that, it's better to compare Ethereum to Bitcoin. So let me just add a comparison graph for Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go up here and then I will add Bitcoin. So I've added the Bitcoin graph, which is this orange line down here. So the first thing that I would like to show you is I would like to go back one here. So when I choose to go back one here, so going back one here, you can tell that from a year from today all the way to today, Bitcoin is up just a little above 300% at the time of this video recording, and Ethereum is up about almost 690%. Guys, you can literally tell that over the past year, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin. And that's why I'm so bullish on Ethereum, because I think that most people just talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is like the big brother, but Ethereum is clearly outperforming Bitcoin here. So then now let's go into 2021. So let's look at the year-to-date chart in 2021. So from January 1st of 2021 all the way to today, which is February 5th, 2021. So as you can tell here, in 2021, Ethereum is up 129%, almost 130%. But Bitcoin is up only 33%, almost 34%. You can tell that just in 2021 alone, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin by a factor of more than 4. Guys, with basically what I just showed you, you can literally see that Ethereum is growing much faster than Bitcoin. And I did an Ethereum video about 3 weeks ago, and where I also went a little bit more in depth into the fundamentals of Ethereum. So if you would like to learn more about the fundamentals of Ethereum, I will link that video above. Please go check that out, and it will basically show you why I'm also so bullish on Ethereum, just looking at the fundamentals of Ethereum. But in that same video, I also gave out a price target of $2,000 for Ethereum. And at the time when I posted that video, Ethereum was trading around, I believe, $1,100. So I said that Ethereum was going to go to $2,000. But then now we are trading almost at $1,700. Well, we basically went over $1,700 this week. So let me just get rid of the Bitcoin chart real quick. So then now that we are looking at Ethereum, You can see that Ethereum right now is trading at $1,680, and it also basically reached almost $1,800 before it started correcting back down a little bit. So then now, as I was saying earlier, with the way that Ethereum is behaving and basically outperforming Bitcoin, I am basically pushed to update my price target, because at these levels where we are now, almost $1,700, I feel like $2,000 is almost a given. So my next Ethereum price prediction is $2,500. And guys, I'm being very conservative here, okay? I'm not trying to be a moony guy trying to say that Ethereum is gonna go to the moon. No. I'm gonna give it a price target of $2,500, and I think that Ethereum will easily hit the $2,500. Probably go even higher, all the way up to $3,000. But let's be conservative and say $2,500. What are the other reasons also why I am so bullish on Ethereum? Guys, on Monday, February 8th, the CME Group, or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, will basically be launching the Ethereum futures, meaning that people will not be able to trade Ethereum futures contract on the CME exchange. That is big, because now it's basically giving exposure to people who have been wanting to have exposure to the cryptocurrency market, but they haven't really taken the leap to jump into this market. With the CME Group basically taking Ethereum to a broader audience, this is really big, and for me it is very bullish. The next thing is, guys, if you are bullish on DeFi or decentralized finance, you should be bullish on Ethereum, guys, because all of these decentralized finance applications are being built on the Ethereum network or blockchain. So guys, if you are bullish on those, you should be 100% bullish on Ethereum. And Ethereum does have a network effect because it has so many projects built on its network. But if you'd like to learn more, please go check out my video on Ethereum that I will link above, and you can learn more about all these fundamentals. Today, I just wanted to dive into the chart. Now, I hope that I provided you with enough value in this video. If that was the case, please allow me to ask you to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, as it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get our message to a wider audience. With that being said, I'd like to say thank you, and I'll see you in my next video on Sunday. Bye.